Hey guys, what is up? It's me, Jen, and I'm here to make another video about this great app called Easy Poser. These videos have become very popular on this channel, and I love making them because I think this app is awesome. A lot of you guys have been asking me about how to put hair on the mannequins, how to change colors, and I could not figure it out, but I finally did, thanks to a wonderful viewer called Mustachedodge. I'm going to put their name on the screen. Thank you so much for teaching me how to do this because it was literally driving me crazy. So now that I know, I'm going to show you guys how to do it because I know this is like a big deal, a big thing. I'm going to teach you guys how to add hair to the mannequins right now. The first thing that you want to do is tap on the head. When you tap on the head, if you go down below, you're going to see below where all these sliders are to move them around, you're going to see two little boxes. I cannot read what they say because my eyes are bad, but I know it's the one that's furthest to the left. So we're going to tap on that, and then all of our hairstyles come up. So they are a ton of really cute, adorable, anime type hairstyles. Super cute. Just really adorable. So I'm going to keep these pigtails on. Well, actually, you know what? I like the space buns better. There we go. We're going to do these space buns because they're just too adorable. I can't even. So the next thing that I'm going to teach you guys how to do is, now that we have her kind of all decked out in this really cute hair, we're going to change the color of everything. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to hit, if you go all the way down to where the back and forward arrows are, you're going to see underneath the forward arrow or the right arrow, there's this little, I guess it looks like a person. I can't really tell what it is. But if you click on that, the top section right here says change color. So you can change everything. You can change their skin tone. So there's a couple of different skin tones that they give you. You can do all sorts of different things, or just leave her like that for now. You can change the hair color, so we can make her blonde, green hair, blue hair. I like the blue hair, so we're just going to keep that. You can change the color of her hands, which I guess would make it look like she's wearing gloves. You can also change the color of her glasses and her eyes. I'm going to do her eyes because we're right here, and I'm going to show you guys how to do glasses in a minute. So they let you do each eye individually, which is kind of cool. So now I gave her some really pretty purple eyes, which I think look really good against the blue hair. And then you could also change the color of her hat. So there are tons of different color options. So I want to go back to tap on her head, and I want to show you guys that if you go back where you got the hairstyles, and there's a couple of different ones, and if I know anything about this app, they're probably going to be adding more as time goes by. You can also select from a couple of different pairs of glasses, which are kind of cute. They have different ones. Let's find a good one. There you go. Let me just uncheck her so you guys can see it in full glory. So there you go. She's wearing cute little glasses. I'm not really crazy about the glasses, so I'm just going to remove them because I'm not really feeling that vibe. And then you could also put hats on them. So there's tons of different hat types. They're mostly animal ears. That's pretty much what you got going on here. Let's keep the bunny ears on because they're kind of cute. And now we can go back in, just untap her head. We're going to go back into where we changed colors, and we're going to select hat right here. And then we're going to make these bunny ears purple or pink, I guess, whatever color that is. So this is really good because now you have this person in full-on color, and you can look at the hairstyle from any angle. It will really help and aid you with drawing hair. Just a little side note to you guys, when they are colored in like this, you cannot remove their clothes. So that you have to keep them in this like little cute gym outfit that they have on. You can only remove their clothes when they're in that weird like gray mannequin tone. So that's just the way it is. But I really love this app. I feel like it just keeps getting better and better the more I use it. I'm really addicted to it. And in my next video, I am going to teach you guys how to take one of these mannequins and turn it into actual art that you can use to create whatever you want. So that'll be coming up in the next video next week. I really hope that you guys like this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Oops, that was a weird angle. Sorry about that, sister. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.